Can you get Brawl Stars dev build in 2025? I'm going to show you how you can get Brawl Stars dev build in 2025. First off, go to Supercell Creator Program website and sign up. You can also just log in if you already have an existing account. Now just answer the prompts, your age, then you must meet these factors. Check on the box that says you will have a good manner, and then be sure to have a minimum of 100 followers on YouTube, 25 on Twitch, or 1,000 on TikTok, because you cannot proceed without these. Now log in with Supercell ID or email. Verify. Check on these boxes again. Select your preferred platform and just wait for approval. Once accepted, you'll gain access to exclusive features, including the dev builds of Brawl Stars.